See, but go pay me abi.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
I will give you something, no worry.
Like how much now? Like how much?
Sing am, I will give you something.
Like how much now? Let me know first now because
Sing am.
Eh?
Sing am.
And let me small now. Let me small. Maybe.
I dey see you, I dey see you.
So.
I dey see you clear.
Alright. Get
Thunder fire you. When government approve primary school for you, where you dey, where you know.
JK money.
Hello, my JK.
Alpha.
No, matter.
Sing the national anthem, the one where you know.
Ah.
Whether an old one, I been a new one, anyone where you know, sing am.
I don't want copy now. Now the new one I want sing.
I sing the new one.
Eh?
Sing the new one.
I don't know the new one.
I want to see what you don't know. I said wait first. I said I been a. I said do. I said I beg. You know the national anthem?
No.
The old one you don't know am.
I don't know.
The new one self you don't know.
No, I don't know anyone.
I said but I don't know. They don't change the old one what we know before.
Which one did they sing now?
Yeah, I don't know how they sing and pass. I say you go know the old one
No, but well, you know that this country every day we are changing national anthem. We can change to change to our let me say native song. Because Nigeria now is not a country that persons that expect that they have a law that they say that there's one law. They have a different laws. You can change any time. We are like chameleons. All right.
Oh my God! Bro, so I beg, which of the national anthem is I be the old one, I be the new one?
The old one self will never fit know that one finish.
I sing the second standard of the old one.
The first standard self will not know and finish. Now they saw second one. Now they don't carry and go the old one. Now those men they from 70 years, like their papa, Alpha, you know sing the old one.
Papa say you don't know anyone.
Arise, O compound trust, Nigeria's call obey to serve our Father.
We have this first standard.
I try.
Sing the second standard. Sing the second standard.
O God of creation. Oh my God, too.
Investor! Yeah, investor, you give me the second standard. Since you already sing the first one.
Second standard of waiting.
Of the national anthem.
National anthem, abi.
Yes, so yes.
You know all these things there na Naija people. This country
I bet sing the second standard.
The second standard.
Now
wetin dey take start am say, O God of creation, direct our noble cause. I don't forget.
Ayé ẹ ti bàjẹ́.
sing the Nigerian national anthem, the one where you know. You don't know? Who know the national anthem?
They don't change them now.
They don't change them? I sing the old one first now, bros.
Yeah, I don't feel sing them. See, but go pay me abi.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
I will give you something, no worry.
Like
Sing
how
am.
much now? Like how much?
Sing am, I will give you something.
Like how much now? Let me know first now because
Sing am.
Eh?
Sing am.
And let me small. Maybe.
I dey see you, I dey see you.
So.
I dey see you clear.
Alright. Get
Thunder fire you. When government approve primary school for you, where you dey, where you know.
As you be elderly person now, so
yes.
I dey sure say you go know this one. The very old national anthem is Sabian.
No.
You know Sabian?
I'm not Sabian.
Now which one you can Sabi?
Now the new one.
The new one. Okay. Sing the new one, the second standard. The one
Oh
where
my
you know.
goodness. You know how many years when I take them off for KG1 when I want a singer. I can't sing it, my dear.
Okay, thank you, ma.
All right, you're welcome.
I don't want peace.
Mama, good morning.
Morning, how are you?
They fine. Mama, according to Tinubu, he does change the national anthem
So waiting.
to the very, very first one.
Which one be the first one?
When me myself I don't know. Now the second one I know. So I want to ask you, since you be elderly person, whether you know that first one.
Okay. And that first one, no be the say arise.
No, not be that one. That not the second one.
The second one be that.
And
Now that one I
the
know.
and that one you know. When you fit sing the second standard of that one.
The one I know so. Nigeria follow baby.
No, mama, I never win.
What do you want to have me for?
What's that? Do
Really?
you sing the national anthem now. Since you say you sabi.
Don't sabi singer like that.
Oh, you sing the one where you sabi.
Arise, O come.
No, the other one where you first.
Okay. I don't forget them again, no.
No, not be that one.
Nigeria, we hail this arise. No, I don't.